ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తాను.
Okay, now so we have seen the malnutrition. What's malnutrition? If there is any nutrients loss in the food, what we take it. So it's called as the malnutrition we have seen. So we have seen some set of diseases like kwashiorkor, marasmus, like that. So the next one is the vitamins, and if any loss of vitamin, we call deficiency. So in vitamin chart we have the 2 types set of that.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
So one is the water soluble vitamins and next one is the fat soluble. You know, water soluble in water. Okay. So like B and C. B is a complex, is a set of complex like B1, B2 like that. Okay, it's not a single B complex. So the next one is the vitamin C. It is also the water soluble, and the D, A, D, E, K are the fat soluble one. So what are the expectation from this chart? You can get for the 2 mark, and like what is the sign, what is the other name for A, like that. And we can also get the deficiencies we can get for the 2 mark, and we can also expect for the 4 mark question as well. So what is the time in B1? So what is the deficiency? If there is a deficiency of vitamin like that, so what we call it is beriberi. So like symptoms like vomiting, like fits and loss of appetite, we can see like no hungry, it's called appetite, even paralysis, improper functioning muscles. Okay, so the next one is riboflavin. So it is the B2. Okay, it's the B2. So next, and what is the deficiency is glossitis, means we can see some mouth crackings here and we feel the sore throat. So ikkada mana pagultunnalu juice, what we take it, the riboflavin tablets, B complex vitamin we take it, right. So that's it. So the next one is the B3. B3 is called the niacin. So the deficiency of the niacin is the pellagra. Okay, and like symptoms like dermatitis, like diarrhea, like motions, and some loss of, you can feel memory, something missing, like in a clumsy manner. The next one, B12, it's called the cyanocobalamin, and the deficiency is the pernicious anemia, like blood loss, and the person will be very lean and very thin, like they don't have even hungry, that's a loss of appetite we can see here. These are the set of B complex. So once again repeat, B1, it's called the thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, 12, so common cyanocobalamin, B12. Okay, It's fine, I think. Next, this B, C next. After B, next C. What's the name for the C? Ascorbic acid. We find in all citrus fruits, right? So when we find any deficiency of the vitamin C, what's that? Scurvy means delay in wound healing, like symptoms like so whenever any wound happen, so we may find the healing properties in, we miss the healing. So that is the symptoms of the C, vitamin C. So these are the B and the C and their names and some deficiencies also. And the next one is the retinol. Yeah, retinol. What's the so commonly called as A vitamin. So what is the deficiency is the night blindness. Okay, night blindness means no, they can't see their eyes in the night, like not like that, because there is a deficiency in the sight problem. So it's called as night blindness. Xerophthal it's also an eye disorder, eye disease. That's the A vitamin. When we don't take A vitamin foods, which are rich in the fruits, leafy vegetables, we find this deficiency. Next, calciferol, it's a D, vitamin D. Okay, it's vitamin D we get what is the source of vitamin D? From the early sun, from early hours of the sunlight we obtain that D vitamin, or else not D, we have to take the tablets. So what are the deficiency? Like improper functioning of the bones, our bones are not well developed, that's a deficiency of the vitamin D. The next one is the tocopherol, is a vitamin E. Then loss, like we find the sterility problems like abortion, like that in even sterility in males we see as the deficiency. And phylloquinine is the vitamin K. So we find this delay in clotting if any cut happened. So for them the bleed, okay, it will not stop here, there is no clotting in that. So that is the deficiency of the vitamin K. So that's why we need to eat food, okay, in proper manner. We should never skip, like nowadays it's a fashion, right, for us. It's not like that. We have to eat food. So these are the some set of vitamins and their deficiency. I hope everyone you got this, okay, well prepared in this vitamin chart, can be asked as you write 4 and 2. So that's it about the vitamin. We'll see you now next topic, okay.